everyone, it's Rella and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be doing this halo pink cut crease with a pink glitter liner that I just had so much fun creating. I went in with this pink look. This is what I decided to pair with, but for some people it may be a little bit too much, so I also showed an alternative in the video. I also added in a nude. Pink is my favorite color, so I was definitely in my comfort zone, so I was super ready to sit in front of the camera and get this look on and popping for you guys. I did the first eye off camera so I can really focus on how I want the eye look to come out instead of having to sit in front of the camera and pay attention to make sure I'm in focus, make sure my background is looking alright and all that other stuff. I really just wanted to sit down and get that one eye done, and then I came back on camera and I did that one for you guys. So I'm gonna get right into that. Alright guys, so this look is super easy, only took about 3 shades. I'm first starting off with the Ooh La La palette from Colourpop, and I'm grabbing the shade Sandbar. I'm taking that on a smudger brush, and I'm packing it on, and then I'm going in with a blending brush, and I'm just blending the edges out. We're not doing anything too special, we're literally just getting that color on and blending it out. Now I'm taking the Urban Decay Jean Michael Basquiat palette, and I'm grabbing this light pink right here. You don't have to use this palette. This was just the only palette that had the pink that I needed. And now I'm taking some more of that Sandbar and I'm packing it on again, and I'm taking that same brush that we used to apply the light pink and I'm blending out Sandbar. Now we're going to do a halo cut crease. I'm just going to do it in the middle. You don't have to do a cut crease. You could just mimic the shape of this cut crease with the shadow. But I decided I wanted to do a cut crease because I wanted the shadow to be really bright and pop a lot. And I wanted that cut crease effect in the middle as well. Now I'm just dipping into the shade Tickled from the Ooh La La palette. And I'm going to pack that right where we place the concealer. So I'm going in with a little bit more of like a patting motion as opposed to a swiping motion. I want the color to look really nice and bright. Now for the outer and inner corners, and to, diffuse those edges, I'm grabbing a fuchsia color and I'm just placing that on the lid, and I'm just brushing that on the center a little bit. So we lost some of that intensity, but I wanted no harsh lines. So I'm going to grab some more of the shade Tickled and I'm going to pack that on, and then I'm going to go back in with a little bit more of the fuchsia shade to just diffuse the edges just a little bit more. So now I'm grabbing this pink gel liner from Colourpop. It's in the shade Boots, and I'm going to put some of that on the back of my hand, warm it up a little bit to make it glide on easier. And I'm just going to grab any angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to just do a regular winged liner. You want to make it a little bit on the thicker side, but not too crazy, just so we could put some of that glitter on. Now for the glitter, this is a jelly glitter from Colourpop. It's from their Glitterally Obsessed line, and I'm just putting that on. I'm packing it on mainly in the outer corner. I'm not really doing too much as we get closer to the inner corner. For primer, I'm just taking some of this Clean Slate Poreless Primer from Tarte, and I'm just applying that to my T-zone. For foundation, I'm taking the NYX Total Control Foundation, and I'm just going to be using 2 droplets of that. 2 is enough. A little bit of this foundation goes a long way. This is one of the only foundations that I don't need to buy 2 shades of. It literally matches me perfectly. And I'm just going to be blending that out with this. I believe this brush is from Pure. I'm obsessed with this brush, but I don't know where I got it from because the name wore off. So I don't know where to buy it again. Kind of sad. I wanted a super bright concealer today, so I just took my No Filter concealer from Colourpop, and I'm applying that underneath my eyes, in the center of my forehead, and the center of my chin. And then I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. I haven't used a beauty blender in such a long time. I forgot how much I loved it. I'm not going to really be going crazy with the defining, but I'm just going to take a little bit of this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour from her contour kit, and I'm just going to, you know, do a little bit of contouring, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Private Island, and I'm going to really warm up the face with that. I wanted more bronze, less contour. Taking this Becky G and Colourpop highlighter in the shade Princesa, I'm just going to be applying that. I've never really applied this to my face, but I swatched it and it was absolutely beautiful. It looked real cute, real peachy. You can't really see it on camera, but now I'm just taking some of that gel liner, applying it to the waterline. Now I'm going to take some pink mascara and I'm going to apply it to the bottom lashes. And then for the lips, this is the first option. I'm taking the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade, I forgot the shade, but it's going to be down below. And I'm just lining my lips. Grabbing the shade Double Team from Urban Decay, I'm just going to be applying that in the center of my lips, dragging it out closer to the edges, and then I'm just blending that into each other with my fingers. And for a little bit of shine, I'm just grabbing Turkish Delight from NARS and I'm applying that all over the lips. So for those of you who feel like the pink is too much for your liking, you can also go in with a nude. This is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. I was contemplating which one I wanted to stay in, but I decided to go with the pink. To achieve the nude, I used the NYX Cold Brew Lip Liner. I used the Morphe lipstick in the shade Boy Toy, and I used the NYX Lip Gloss in Fortune Cookie. Now I'm finishing up this look with some setting spray, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed.